I think that Pakistan can offer a lot of opportunities. And the investment in Pakistan is very lucrative nowadays. And you see, we need all these things, the infrastructure we need, and we need a lot of investment, and that can give incentive to the worldwide investors, particularly from the Muslim countries and the Muslim chambers of commerce. And the halal food, which you give a lot of emphasis on halal food, I think there is an opportunity in this Pakistan to offer halal food to the Muslim countries, and we are already doing a lot. It's to Malaysia and to Indonesia and to other Muslim countries. We have increased our export of halal food. So I feel that in the near future, there's this forum, like the Sustainable Development Forum, this is very good idea, and this is the second forum, and I think this will provide opportunity to have more interaction between our friendly Muslim countries, and we should develop. And Karachi being a center, you have chosen very rightly the Secretariat of Islamic Chambers here, and I feel that more and more opportunities will be availed, and our interaction between neighboring countries and Muslim countries is very important. I wish success of this sustainable forum, and we are all out from the government of Pakistan, the vision of our Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif Sahab. I think with this collective effort, we are progressing a lot, and you must have witnessed that our stock market is one of the best world market presently, and more and more industrial investment and that of tourism is required, and I feel that on this sustainable forum will give lot of boost to our effort. So I thank you very much.